If you're experiencing payment issues on Smartsheet Pro, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot common issues and ensure your account is in good standing. Step 1. Check payment method. Verify that your payment method is valid and up to date. Log into your Smartsheet account, navigate to the billing section, and confirm that your credit card or payment information has not expired or been declined. Step 2. Review billing history. Access your billing history to identify any discrepancies or missed payments. Look for any notifications regarding failed transactions or outstanding balances that may need your attention. Step 3. Contact your bank. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update payment information. If necessary, update your payment information directly within your Smartsheet account. Ensure that all details are entered correctly, including billing address and card number, and save the changes. Step 5. Reach out to Smartsheet support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, contact Smartsheet customer support. Provide them with details of the problem, and they can assist you in resolving any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment issues on Smartsheet Pro quickly. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.